So again, for the ram's horn clip, we place it down in our jig. Got to hold it down tight. Pull our knife to cut a hole in it, cut a slit. Turn it over, place one side of the ram's horn into the slit. And use a needle nose pliers to get the other side in. And there you go. That's how you get the ram's horn clips in. I also had someone ask how we install slide-in leaf springs, and these look like the regular leaf springs that you see on a vehicle, but they're slide-in leaf springs, and these would go on the top width here. So it's real easy. It's got this little bottom piece which slides into the top of the frame like that, and then while assembling the screen frame, we place a corner in to hold that in place. Now this corner will hold that slide-in leaf spring in place, and then to do the other side, we would just reverse it. Take one, put it on the other side. Slide that in, put your other corner on. And there you go. If you like the content here, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button because it helps us out. Thanks.